Hello guys, welcome back to Week Mix Media. If you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Enjoy today's update.
Hello lovely people, this is your boy Andy. Bless you for coming, bless you for subscribing to the channel. Today, I'll take you straight to Stonebwoy's camp. We all know what is happening tonight, Beam concert. It is going to be huge what is here. So our day here 24/7 will be bringing you updates from the show live in color, so you don't need to miss it. Subscribe and turn on notification bell. So today we do Remo and opening Stonebwoy entered into TV3 studios, and Charlie, the energy over there was like extraordinary. It was crazy. It was hotter than hot. So I have the clip here where I want to take you through. Now, for social media, Remo was Stonebwoy and Busy Signal in Hitz FM. Their freestyle way they go give over there. I have it here. I want to take you through. So without wasting your time and you subscribing to the channel, let's go through these two videos I'm talking about.
Talk about money, but them never reach like that. One love, but they never reach like that. Funny, them can't see my back. Me nah make a move when me no see contract. Me and them never get a eye contact. Say them a leader, but them a lead from back. Voila, test boy get a comeback. Time me say test boy get a comeback. And anyway, them see mankind, them do one kind. I mean do like say me never know. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Say no for them a snake under grass, them be full bad mind, but we do like say we never know. Oh we are busy there, you know you don't know. Joy FM, it's 103.9. Everything up and up.
Stick to me thing and no boy can beat. We no switch to me skin. Yes, so we no mix with the thing. We no skin teeth thing. Yeah, them say bad up. Ooh, which part and which crew? I couldn't me them a chat about you. Yeah, me can't color me cause no color. Hey, them say box in a face. Me say when, and me say how, and which guy? Did you believe what some boy never try? Hey, Stonebwoy, I tell them.
Say coulda never be a minimalist. Me say one pan the lease, and I'll take a win a day that's the least. And them know say man a boss it like a real jungle is. Give them a one God song, man a evangelism. Me say fire, burn them like a fireman. Me never see no other youth but the dan. How we are run things for ya, a jackaban. How we are run that tape ya jagga. So anyway them see mankind, them do mankind, them do like say.
Thank you very much for staying true to this end. I hope you've enjoyed this update that I brought on board. And don't forget to say, oh yeah, be native now, and subscribe. Oh yeah, Stonebwoy fan. Oh yeah, good music fan. You for subscribe to the channel, because today there are a whole lot of artists that will be passing through on the Beam concert, and I'll be updating you on every performance that will drop on the stage. My name is Andy. Bless you for coming. Bless you for always supporting me here. I'm out. Bye bye.